So in this video, we're gonna do our dares and stuff. Yay!
You man lady? We're like equally like, it's annoying. Can I just use both hands?
Can I use both hands? Okay, let's go.
We're gonna like break each other's arms. One hand, one hand.
Okay.
This is going nowhere. Ow!
What?
Twisting my arm in ways that shouldn't be doing.
I thought you were supposed to arm it.
Ow!
Stop beating me!
Ow! I gave up. It hurts too much.
Yes!
Yeah.
I'm such a winner!
Yeah, we're just. It's the little ones that rises. So,
Right?
yeah. I have a condition where my muscles go down. It's called flab.
I haven't seen that.
But it's high.
Shy.
I'm ready, wait for Sarah.
Alright.
Sarah! No. Do you actually believe that?
What? Where are you? Okay.